This video is about the silver dragon. I'll start with an introduction to the dragon and finish with a meditation. The silver dragon sparkles with silver white glittering light. She comes to help you along your path and to see a way through when you don't know the way. Sometimes she shows you a new way. The silver dragon meditation starts now. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Take a few moments to get comfortable. Now notice your natural breath, breathing in and out for a few deep breaths. Now become aware of any thoughts that come into your mind. Take a few moments to allow thoughts to arise. And if no thoughts arise, just notice the stillness and space in your mind. Now, in this space of calm and stillness, invite the silver dragon to come and be present with you now, and begin to sense her presence getting closer from whichever direction you feel it. Sense her glittering silver light appearing as the dragon comes and settles with you. Feel the calm, steady, uplifting presence of the silver dragon. You may want to look directly at the dragon, or you may just want to sense her love and goodwill as she settles with you. The silver dragon understands you completely. She illuminates your path ahead now with her glittering silver light. The path is yours, and the silver dragon is here to help you see it. Sense the path ahead. Sense how it feels, and sense the ease with which you will travel along it. Now feel a sense of release as you stand on your path, letting go of the things you are holding in your body, mind, heart, and energy field that you are ready to release as you stand on your path, present in this moment now. Now feel your physical and auric body fill with the silver, white, sparkling light, dissolving any stuck energy and releasing it, magnetizing your body and soul to attract that which is for your highest good on the path as your journey continues along it. Now listen to the silver dragon and any message she has for you about your path ahead. You may also ask her any questions you have or ask for further guidance. Now thank the silver dragon for her guidance, light, support, and clarity, and know that she will come to you whenever you need her guidance. Sense her gently departing, but leaving her imprint of light around you and ahead of you, healing, protecting, and guiding you in the right direction along your path. Now feel the weight of your body on the floor. Sense your whole body and feel your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Take a few deep breaths. Make small movements with your hands and feet, gently stretching the whole body. Sense the room around you. If you are lying down, come up into a sitting position. And when you are ready, open your eyes, present and calm, and ready to continue on with your day or evening.